How to log in into TDS income tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can log in into your TDS income tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the TDS income tax login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. Scroll down until you see this option of login. Click on it. Wait for a while until this page loads up completely. Now in order to log in into your account, zoom in a little bit at the left side. Here you need to enter your user ID and password in order to log in into your account. And if you are a taxpayer, you need to enter the PAN number in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget password option. So enter all of the details and click on login and you are good to go. In this very easy and simple way, you can log in into your account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.